Restoring old or damaged photos can often feel like an impossible task without the right tools. But Damage Photo Restore Suite brings powerful repair features into a format that's approachable and efficient. This app is designed specifically to revive torn, faded, scratched, or time-worn images with just a few guided steps. Using advanced AI restoration, Damage Photo Restore Suite analyzes imperfections, like cracks, discoloration, and missing areas, and intelligently fills or enhances them while preserving original details. The interface is streamlined and focused, guiding users through cleanup, enhancement, and color correction without overwhelming menus or jargon. Even if you've never edited a photo before, the app makes the process feel clear and rewarding. While higher resolution exports and batch tools may require a paid upgrade, the base version already delivers impressive results. What sets Damage Photo Restore Suite apart is its emotional impact. It's not just fixing photos, it's preserving memories. If you have a collection of old family pictures, heirlooms, or historical prints that need new life, Damage Photo Restore Suite offers a respectful, effective way to bring them back with clarity and care.